Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the amazing reversible reaction between nickel-2 chloride and ammonia. Check this out. For this reversible reaction, we're using 12 molar hydrochloric acid, ammonium hydroxide, 50 milliliters of distilled water in a graduated cylinder, and nickel-2 chloride hexahydrate. Begin by measuring out 1.5 grams of nickel-2 chloride. Add your nickel-2 chloride to your 50 milliliters of distilled water and stir the solution until it's aqueous. So now we have this nice aqueous solution of nickel-2 chloride hexahydrate where we have 6 water molecules acting as the ligand. What will happen when we start adding drops of ammonium hydroxide? Will there be a ligand exchange? And if so, will it be a change of color? Let's find out. Okay, now we'll start adding our drops of ammonium hydroxide and look what happens. Look at that beautiful blue color change. Isn't that amazing? So here we can see the hexahydrate solution, and up here that ligand exchange creates the hexaamine solution up here where you have that deep purple color. So I can reverse this reaction by adding hydrochloric acid. But first, let's add a little bit more of our ammonium hydroxide and see if we can get more of that deep blue color. Look at that. I wonder if I can get it all to turn that deep blue color as we have that ligand exchange. We go from hexahydrate to hexaamine. So to reverse the reaction, I'm going to add 12 molar hydrochloric acid. Here we go. There it is. It's starting to change back. Look at that. So what's really going on in this reversible reaction? And what's a ligand? A ligand is any molecule that bonds typically to a metal ion. So in this hexahydrate form, where it's this light color, we have 6 water molecules that are bonded to the nickel ion. But when I add the ammonium hydroxide, you have a ligand exchange, and those 6 water molecules are replaced by 6 ammonia molecules, and that's what creates that deep blue purple color. Now you can reverse it by adding hydrochloric acid because that neutralizes the ammonium hydroxide, and then again I have the 6 water molecules that are attached to that nickel ion, creating this nice light color. But just a fun way to demonstrate Le Chatelier's equilibrium principle. I hope you liked it. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing reversible reaction. We start with reactants nickel-2 chloride, ammonia, and water. We have 1 mole of nickel-2 chloride, that's the NiCl2. We have 2 moles of ammonia, that's the 2NH3, and 2 moles of water, that's the 2H2O. When those come together, we get the products nickel-2 hydroxide and ammonium chloride. We have 1 mole of nickel-2 hydroxide, that's the NiOH2, and 2 moles of ammonium chloride, that's the 2NH4Cl, in this amazing reversible reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.